Okay. There's the wire. I don't think it's going anywhere. Let's wait till the camera focuses in on that. Camera's not being good today. It doesn't want to focus on anything. Now I'm going to take a couple layers of electrical tape and kind of seal that up there. First I want to make sure there's no sharp edges on here that are going to break through the electrical tape. Just going to file this down a little bit, just because it's a real pointy edge. It might break through the electrical tape. Okay. I'll put a piece around the whole thing as well, electrical tape. Okay, like that. Now the heat shrink tubing should do the rest. Pull the heat shrink tubing over that. Heat shrink tubing goes right up to over the fins of the adapter plug. And we got that. I'm going to take a lighter and heat this heat shrink tubing up, and it's going to shrink into place. Ouch. You can take a little fan if you want. Cool things down a little faster. Ouch. And I think we got a nice... You can see how the heat shrink tubing just goes, fits right around the wire there. Like a nice fit. Going to give it another blast of heat just to make sure it's tight. You don't want the heat shrink tubing going anywhere. That should be good. Okay, we're going to let that cool down for a minute or two. I'm not going to use that little fan again. And just clean it up a little bit. Okay, make sure our connections are good. We could test for continuity between the positive and negative here, just to make sure that there's no short circuit. We don't hear a beep, so that's good. There's the beep. So one on the positive, one on the ground point. We don't hear a beep, so we know that our wiring's okay. If the wires were touching in here, we'd hear a beep when we did that. Okay, that should be cool enough. Let's plug the adapter back in. Okay, we're getting a red light. And we're going to test for voltage on the tip. Turn it to 20 volts. We should see about 19 on the voltmeter. .54. So we know our connection's okay. Our tip here is now ready to go. Okay, so earlier I tried to take this drill and make the hole here a little bit bigger so that we could more easily screw the power jack in. The batteries died in the drill, so now we have some battery power. So I actually just finished drilling the hole before we started the tape. So